Now, if you wanted to, like, double check, you can literally just put it onto a calculator. If I put sine 30, which is one of my values for x, I will get 0 0.5. If I put sine 150, I will get don't know calculator, 0 0.5. If I put sine 210, again, and I put on my calculator, you will get 0 0.5. Okay, because they're all exactly the same, they're all on the same line. Okay, do you see why you've got more than one value for x? Mhm. If I was looking at values between 0 to 360, I'm only looking at this part of the graph here. From 0 to 360 cuts off over there, this section. So my values for x are 30 and 150. So I don't actually need the negative 210. If the range, or if they told me, actually, you know what, we want to get the values from negative 360 and 360. So we're looking at this whole entire section from negative 360 to 360. So if I do that, I'm going to have to include the negative 210 and whatever that value is over there. So I end up with four values, okay? Negative 180 x to 360. So from negative 180, I'm looking all the way from here till 360. So what values do I have that are between that range? Just the 30 and 150, because negative 210 outside, we don't care about that. If they say from 0, x, between 0 and 180 degrees, and I look over there, my values are going to be from 0 to 180, so I'll only accept the 30 and the 150. So do you see what I'm doing? The range tells you what values I need, whether I need to go further or whether I just need the two values and I'm good and I'm done. Good, good, good. Done, done, done. When y was 0 0.5 or when sine x was 0 0.5, my values were 30, 150, 390, and minus 210, right? If I had x is negative 0 0.5, and there's a reason why I'm showing you a sine x when it's positive and sine x when it's negative. Now, if I go to the negative part, let's pick a different color. Let's go for blue. And I go to negative 0 0.5, in the same way, I can find my values from the graph. Because at negative 0 0.5, I just keep going all the way along until I hit the line. And then I go up to see whatever value that's going to be. So I'm guessing that part was 30, that was 180, so that's 210. So when sine x, if I put this on my calculator, I'll get negative 30. And how do I know? From the graph, because if I look on the negative side, I go all the way there, it touches there, and that's 30 degrees. Now, one of my values is 210. I can find this second value in the same way. So I'm at negative 0 0.5. I go all the way across until I hit the line and then go up. So this value over here would be 330, I believe. So 330 is another value. So all of these are values for x. If I go to that side, again, I go all the way there and I go up, and then it'll give me my fourth value. Now, if you wanted to, like, double check, you can literally just put it onto a calculator. You see why you've got more than one value for x?